like it like that. She working that act. I don't know how to act. This cannot go on here. Just doing my thing. Okay, so this week on homework, I am doing a fridge cleanout, which probably should happen almost every week. But this week, I just noticed we had a ton of random stuff in the fridge. So yes, I'm doing a fridge cleanout. I would love for you to clean your fridge out too, make something out of it. Today, though, I am gonna do frittatas, I think, with my fridge cleanout, because I have oddly, like, I wanna say, ooh, that's the fridge, the drink fridge. I have so many eggs. I don't know how this happened. Don't know why it happened, but I'm gonna try to get rid of some of these eggs. Spinach, random, which definitely needs to go. And I have this chicken that we made this weekend. It's grilled chicken, so I think I'll put that in there. What else? Want some cheese. I already have a little manchego out. Here's a little more manchego. I have a lot of manchego. We're fans. I have some hot dogs. I think I'm gonna let the chicken do its thing. Oh, we have these peppers that we got from the garden, which definitely need to go. So green beans. I think it's another day. I have Brussels sprouts. I think I will save those. Another pepper. I had a bunch of carrots, more green beans. We'll hold that thought. And then random lettuce. Okay, I'm just gonna do the peppers, the chicken. Peppers, chicken. I'm gonna do onions. And here's my guy who wants to help. So something I do in my kitchen is I have a lot of open shelving. I like to just really get things really quickly. And then I feel like I just need to go get some chives. You wanna come with me in the garden? Let's go. Cool, you wanna come? So spoiled by the fresh tomatoes. Before, this was like a scene from The Godfather and they were all like huge, but now it's like October and they're kind of winding down. So I've got chives here. Groceries for chives are also awesome. And then I will do a little thing of parsley. I love things really green and kind of herby tasting. And let's throw a little basil in there. We'll make it a little bit Italian on ourselves. And I'm just gonna do maybe like 2 of these chard babies. Okay. So I guess if we were like fridge / garden clean out, I guess. Whatever. Don't waste your food clean out. Throw it with eggs, whatever you got. All right, so let's go back inside. Anyway, I've got on my chard here. All right. The onions. All right, let's see these knives. Wanna watch my knives? Do you like my knives? I really like my knives. There we go, very sharp. Thanks, Dad. So I grew up with my dad making knives, but always being very afraid of how sharp knives were. So I'm kind of like, I'm not the chef that's like all like in it. Like I am afraid of cutting my fingers off. I don't want that to happen. My dad always had cuts all over him. He's got scars all over. Like, you know what? I don't want your laugh. Okay, so I've got that. I'm gonna get that going on the stovetop, and then I'm gonna take it to my little casserole dish. And so I'm just kind of sauteing my chard, my onions. Ooh, forgot my garlic. Okay. So I gotta move because this thing is fast. I gotta get my garlic in there. This is also tomatoes in here now. Then I'm gonna throw that random chicken in there. All right, so what am I gonna do with this chicken? I think I have a little leftover lemon. So I'm gonna squeeze some lemon on it, salt the wajinis out of it, and then throw it in that garlic. Put my parsley in there. Again, this could be anything you've got, any nice little green that just makes it pretty, but I love parsley. So next, just heat up the chicken. I think I could eat it just like this and be happy. But this all started because I have how many eggs in it. I am gonna throw my chard in right now. It's gonna be a super green frittata. Work it all in. And it really just needs to slightly wilt the chard. Then I'm gonna throw in that random leftover spinach I had, which I feel like there's always random leftover spinach. I'm not gonna lie, like not all of it is fresh. So this is one of those like where I just have to pick out the good stuff, like this, the good parts. Throw that in there. Wilt that spinach. My Aunt Linda always says use 3 types of greens stuff to get that nice medley. All right, I'm gonna throw a little more salt in and salt free. Crack now, clean later. I'm trying to do it like real fast, it's like cooking show, they're like perfect. All right, 1 down. See, that is gonna make me happy in my fridge. All about the decluttering. But look at my fridge right now. Like this is looking better. I'll throw a little salt in there. By a little, I mean a lot always. Do you want to see in my pot? Cheese and peppers. Okay. So I have to use a paper towel because I do not have a baster. I think a dog or baby ate it perhaps in there. Just pour it. All right. Gotta sprinkle these around. Pretty. They make it pretty. All right, so let's just kind of sprinkle the cheese around. That is really gonna make it good. So that's manchego and Parmesan. Just whatever you have though. I'm gonna do a little bit of basil. I'm smashing it. Just to get the oils really going. I'm almost fancy. Last but not least, I've got all these pretty chives. So I'm just gonna do a bunch. It's gonna be like chives with some eggs. Bye, my little love. Don't fail me. So I got it at $3.75 for 20 minutes. Let's see what happens. I'll take a peek. It's cleanup time. It's cleanup time. It's time for cleaning up. Great to use a lemon peel just to clean your cutting board. Make it all fresh. All right, so it's been about 25 minutes, and I'm gonna check it. It might be. Looks good. Can you see that? Ooh. I think it is potentially perfect. Let's see if it's liquid inside. Please don't be liquid. This is like no whammy, no whammy, no whammy. I think it's perfect. I think Mama Miss Fancy did it. The smarter situation right now would be to just serve it out of this, because I got a feeling it's going to be kind of a cluster when I go to pull it out. But I really want it on this pretty thing. Make it work. Mike, I'm just gonna go fast. Is that how you do this? You just go fast? All right, I'll move this. You can. This is like the tablecloth situation where they pull the tablecloth out. Come on, please be pretty. Please work. Oh, I don't think it fell. It might have. It might have worked. Might have worked. Might have worked. It worked! Oh, I almost broke that. But it totally worked. Look at that. I mean, great. Granted, this is not the prettiest thing I've ever seen, but we're gonna go like that, and then we're gonna put some cheese on there, and then some chives, and it's gonna be gorgeous. Up in here, cheese up in here. I'm so excited right now. Things don't often work for me like this. I'm really pumped. All right, so I'm just gonna go real thin, just get a little bit of sprinkles on there. Again, a little bit more manchego, and I'll do a little salt and pepper, because I know everything kind of rises to the top with these eggs, so it's top, it's now bottom, but I want to make sure there's enough flavor up in there. Okay, let's get the cheese so it can sort of melt on there. I think that's going to be delicious. All right, and then I'm going to do a few more chives, a little basil, all mixed up in there. All right, so what I'll do to serve it is slice this baby up, but I could save it for later. So I get my champagne out and have a little frittata. It's like the perfect brunch food. But what is so cool about it is you can also just stick it in the fridge and stick it back in the oven later and serve it to your family fresh. But you can take what you want right when you make it. So thank you for joining me this week on homework. Again, homework is to clean out the fridge. And sometimes I think the easiest way to clean out the fridge is to do it with your eggs. So it's your homework this week. So hope you join me. Hope you enjoyed. Really good.